It made me sneeze.
Yeah. Joe's been doing that to me all morning.
That's good. Yeah, man. That's when you know you hit a certain note where it makes your nose tickle to sneeze. That's awesome. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Oh yeah. You've got it really optimized space. A lot of fab work to make this work. That looks good.
6 months, because we know this is going to be the final build after we did the wall the first time. So we've taken the structure, the support of the vehicle out, and using this as the rebuild of the support.
Wow. This is cool.
This is what we have to finish next.
Yeah. How much is this?
120.
120 amp hour lithium. Wow. Nice. Where's your sub amp?
Just go behind the seats.
Okay.
Salt 6K.
Okay. There you go. Well, I like the port design there.
Yeah, we're not going to paint it till we paint the car. It's going to be the same color as the car.
Okay. Looks good. Good door speakers too. So is this 610s? 612s?
612s.
Wow.
The 4 of them were the same that came out of my wall, and we bought 2 more. They finally broke in, did a retune, so everything's pretty much...
Looks really good. What are you wired to being 6 on 1 amp?
3/4.
Okay.
3/4 ohm, came out perfect.
Nice. And your tuning on the port, how did you dial that in? Like, where's it at?
We did the basic 3-to-1 once we got all the configuration, everything in. Okay. Now, knowing that it's a pie wedge at the bottom, okay, you can't keep proper sealed for each chamber.
No.
So we equated it with our baffling inside the box to make them all perfectly for one cube.
Yeah.
They come out almost 0.66 a piece.
So it's not common chamber, it's separate.
It's separate, but it is common too.
Okay.
So a lot of people ask me for pictures of that. I said no.
That's enough.
No. That's a little secret, you know.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Nice. Musical range, we set it between 29 and 55.
All right.
Yeah, surprise a lot of people.
Yeah, man. Hey, the box is a lot of it. It does a really good
makes
job.
a difference.
Oh, yeah.
And then when I tell them that's the SA entry level, they're like, what?
Yep.
I said, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. Here we go.
Nice work.
3.
That's a good idea. First person I've seen do that.
There's so many on here.
So many on you. Write down what to press.
Yeah. Yeah, and the tuning and that Salt 6K is phenomenal in power. And then these are so easy to tune.
Yeah.
You know, but it's the time and crunching the numbers, getting it right.
Yes, sir. Really good job. Thank you very much.
And the inspiration on checking everything, like I watch your videos.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. You learn a lot from people. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, good job. Thank you very much, man. What was your name?
Rondy.
Rondy.
Beast by in the sun. Something about riding through the city. Something about being by myself. I should be okay on my own. I just wanna be alone. Something about for me, but I'm I work for that thing got for rehab, I don't wanna hold it. I died at 27 years, came back to life. Making waffles, slopping rookies tab. It's JJ Rusticles. I should write a book or something. I should be a novelist. I would probably write a couple chapters and I call it quits. I've been writing battle bars, telling bitch to swallow dicks. Even though I'm married, I still write like a misogynist.
I don't have a religion, I follow politics. I don't care if God exists until they lives. Tell me what religion is, and then I'll follow it. In the beginning, I read it. Like I'm confident. My visions, yes, live with the illusion. This is my attempted consciousness. Looking at these jacks, wondering where all the went. You acknowledge it. Opinions important. Random college kids. Twitter back.
Really good. Really good, man. It's
Trying
amazing
to
how much you
keep
spit
it
on it.
musical as possible.
Yes, sir.
To go, here's another. Here's this one will get you more of a 29 hertz. Oh, thank you, brother. Appreciate that.
Yeah, it's hot out.
I got a lot of cash. I don't mind spending it. On that beat. I'ma smoke this drink and I'ma break you off. Cash for nothing, I wanna see you take it off. I'm about to ride on you, don't get somebody riding through the city with your head in the breeze. Something about me and mama, so everybody will leave. I should be okay on my own, don't have to worry about me. I just wanna be alone and I don't wanna sit please. Sometimes I think that there's somebody in the world that can see. I can tell you how I feel, but then you won't forget me. I work for do you like the way?
Made me sneeze.
Yeah, he's been doing that to me all morning.
That's good. Yeah, man. That's when you know you hit a certain note where it makes your nose tickle to sneeze. That's awesome.
Yeah, and,
Really good job. Thank you very much.
and the inspiration on checking everything, like I watch your videos.
Yes,
you know?
sir. Oh, yeah, you learn a lot from people.
Oh,
Yeah.
hell yeah.
Oh, yeah. Hey, good job. Thank you very much, man. What was your name?